Hi everybody, welcome back to Wenatchee River Institute's Plant ID series. This is our final episode, episode 20. And we are going to step away from plants for this final episode for a fun and different organism. So you may remember back to the spring when we focused on morel mushrooms for an episode of the series. And morel mushrooms, if you can remember, are unique because they come up in the forest in the springtime. And in the fall, in the Pacific Northwest, that's when we see a majority of our mushrooms coming up in the forest. So today I'm in a dark, dank, primeval forest of the Pacific Northwest in search of another prized mushroom, the chanterelle. Chanterelle mushrooms are often likened to small tissues on the forest floor. How many chanterelles can you see in this view? When I'm searching for chanterelles, I like to identify coniferous forests that are dark, so not much undergrowth on the ground. So here we have a chanterelle, and chanterelles can come from any color from white to a deep golden yellow. And one of the main identifying characteristics of a chanterelle are these specialized gills that extend down the stalk of the mushroom, and they do not have a distinct end line. So as you can see, these end over here and these end farther down. And a lot of people describe chanterelle shape as like trumpet shaped, and there are almost like waves on the edges of the chanterelle. So as a reminder, the mushroom is just the fruiting body of the entire fungus organism. So this part is simply just the part that grows above the ground and does the reproduction of the mushroom or of the fungus, and underground is an entire system of hyphae, which is the larger part of the fungus organism. Like many mushrooms, the chanterelle has many lookalikes, and it also has a distant cousin named the false chanterelle, which could make you feel ill. So if you are thinking about heading out into the forest and harvesting wild mushrooms, definitely find yourself a friendly mushroom guide who knows what they're doing to take you out. A big thank you to everybody for tuning in to Wenatchee River Institute's Plant ID series. I had a great time partnering with all of the guest naturalists bringing you plant education during this virtual atmosphere. Do stay tuned because we are going to have more nature-focused series coming your way. I hope you have a great fall, and we'll see you then.
Honey, the car's this way.